More and more, Kiev sent sabotage and reconnaissance groups with boat, attempting to stealthily land in the Dnieper Islands zone, seemingly unseen by Russia, only to be destroyed with a single precise strike. Russian FPV drones were waiting for them, always ready to strike back any identified Ukrainian boats. This was reported by the Russian Ministry of Defense on September 4, 2025, showing the work of operators from the 18th Combined Arms Army of the Dnieper Group of Forces, deploying their FPV drones to prevent enemy sabotage attempts, entering the Dnieper Delta area in the Kherson region. This time, during a scheduled flight over the islands, the reconnaissance unit timely detected a fast-moving boat, with a sabotage and reconnaissance group on board. According to the soldiers, this was not the enemy's first attempt to infiltrate their side. But as usual, Kiev sent Ukrainian Marines on a suicide mission. Then, FPV drones loaded with explosives were deployed to interact with the targets. A series of strikes were launched against boats, attempting to cross the river zone to infiltrate the area. So, Kiev tried to claim islands in the Dnieper Islands zone, formerly controlled by Ukraine, now under the control of the Russian armed forces. Instead of living up to expectations, each attempt ended the same way, with the soldier of armed forces of Ukraine being destroyed, even as they approached. As a result of the soldiers' coordinated actions, the Ukrainian boat was sunk and the sabotage and reconnaissance group neutralized, the Defense Ministry reported. Russia continues to undermine large numbers of Ukrainian military troops in a long struggle, but Ukraine has not been able to cross the Dnieper River, despite NATO involvement.